Hi, I'm Lowry and I'm a defender in the A-League. It's very important to train at home and train in the gym as you need to build strength as you're getting bigger. Injury prevention is massive now in sport. You have all these equipment, the foam rollers, rolling out your glutes, your hamstrings and keep them loose for games ahead. I personally use the foam rollers a lot the day before and the day of games. I roll out all my lower limbs, my calves, my hamstrings, my quads. It just gets any of that soreness out which you get from doing gym work and gets you loose for matches. Yeah, I use the agility ladder the day before games and the day of games sometimes as well to get my feet moving as a defender. You need to move your feet quickly to be able to deal with quick strikers.